Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need an admin-capable account and Windows 11. Once ready, open Settings immediately. Press Windows plus I or click Start then Settings. Make sure your display is at the native resolution because scaling affects text clarity. Next, go to Accessibility and select Text Size. This is the centralized control that changes system fonts. You're starting here to avoid scattered app-by-app adjustments. Once in text size, you'll see a slider that controls all UI text, which is faster and more consistent. Move the text size slider slowly to set a new size. Small increments keep layout stable. You'll see a live preview. Use it to judge readability and spacing. Once you like the preview, click Apply. Windows may require you to sign out and back, and so every app refreshes. If you prefer per app control, open Display Right Arrow Scale in Settings for app scaling. However, the text size slider changes UI elements like menus and titles, which is usually what you want. After applying, sign out and back in to ensure all text updates. Once done, review multiple apps to confirm consistency. If some applications look blurry, go to Display Right Arrow Scale and use custom scaling or per app compatibility settings to fix them. If something goes wrong, return to text size and click Reset or Set Slider to 100%. This restores defaults. And if text remains poor, update your graphics driver. New drivers often resolve rendering issues and improve clarity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.